Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you is the healthy benefits of burping. You know guys that burping is completely normal, especially after eating, because it is the result of swallowing too much air, and burping is also a one way of your body to expel too much gas. But you know guys that excessive burping is a sign, or could be a sign that the person is suffering from heartburn or an acid reflux. Burping, it helps you to release or it helps you to relieve a stomach discomfort, and you are burping after you are drinking carbonated drinks, because it's the you are expelling the carbon dioxide inside your stomach. And you know guys that burping also is a one way of prevention of getting bloated and stomach. Don't hold your burp, you know guys, because when you are holding your burp, you are trapping the toxin inside your system. So if you feel bloated and something discomfort, you have to drink the carbonated drinks. That's why, you know guys, when you are drinking a soft drinks and after that you're taking you expel your gas, excuse me, because you are expelling the carbon dioxide inside your stomach. And also that burping is a good way for the prevention of getting bloated. And if you feel bloated and like stomach ache, and you feel like you have to drink carbonated drinks like soft drinks, or grab a bottle of mineral water, you drink it and you will surely burp. But how much is too much? You know guys that too much burping is a sign that the person is having heartburn or acid reflux. So you have to seek medical attention if you are burping excessively, because it's a sign that you are in a zone that your stomach is in a high acid. Also you have to seek medical advice or something like medical attention. But you know guys, remember that burping is really normal, especially when after eating, because it's a sign that you have a very satisfying meal, and after that your body expel those gas to prevent you from stomach ache and bloated. So guys, if you cannot hold your burp in front of other person, just excuse yourself if you are burping. So guys, I hope you stay tuned to my channel, and if you have something useful, please share.